In the meantime, the supporters were in a party mood as they bragged about what they see as the gains made by the country under the JLP government. Our reporter Dwayne Anderson was at the National Arena and gauged their views.
Why you come conference every year?
Oh my God, I work from Golden Age home to come here. Golden Age home is in Vina town, and I left from there to come here.
Why?
Because I want to hear my leader.
For many party loyalists, conference is an opportunity to hear the party leader speak. But for many other supporters, it's a chance to make a statement, a fashion statement. From fancy eyewear to vuvuzelas, Sunday was a carnival-like atmosphere. On cue, those carnival masks. The sweltering heat did not deter the wig wearers. Those not so bold retreated under their umbrellas to escape the sun. On the topic of heat, what's a political conference without warm meals prepared on the spot? Rice and peas, soup, fried chicken, cash trading hands as the hungry masses sampled the foods.
Why the business are going away still? It's not so bright, but it still can't eat our food, you know see?
Things a little slow for some vendors because of rising costs. They feel the sliding Jamaican dollar is partly to blame.
Yeah man, that's I guess I know. The goods raised. And for the goods raised, the people them really not too on the price, you know see?
Now JLP supporters in the East, in particular St. Thomas, they found their voice. Those we spoke to Sunday were bullish and buoyant about their future.
We from St. Thomas is going to get the road just a little time from now. So I have to come to support my MP and my party.
Them come and do them program right out of the place when name Yalas and broke the dirt and them something the Andrew Wellness, James Zabert, and you don't know. From a long time we said we're going to get to the highway and we know we're going to get it.
Speaking of roads, some supporters had a few road-related grouses and they want them addressed. The conference provided the perfect opportunity. These women say they help clean the streets of Kingston.
We sweep the road 7 days a week. And when we forget our money, we can't get no pay. Oh, that's labor right in our power. Talk up our money Monday morning.
We observed a lot of games being played by supporters. The introduction of money into the fun, perhaps at the root of a few minor scuffles. The police were swift to quell the brief flare-ups. Perhaps the one area the police did not address quickly enough was this. Bikers dancing in and out of the large crowd. Accidents waiting to happen. But those concerns aside, JLP supporters say the conference was a major success. Many were so happy, they were literally singing their party praises at the end.
The road them fight very hard, them have to fight with the yard and abroad. The road them fight very hard, so we can enjoy we hard.
Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.